My name is Rimai Joy, and I'm working with ARDENT Foundation, and we are very fortunate and we are very excited that we are launching a vermicompost today, the 26th June 2026. So this vermicompost is prepared by Zingsho Mapithel Cooperative Society Ltd, and it is a FPO that comes under ARDENT Foundation. So ARDENT Foundation as an organization is a scientific and industrial research organization, and it is under Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. We call it DSIR, under Ministry of Science and Technology. So under this ARDENT Foundation, the umbrella body, we have different units. So AF Compost, as you can see in the banner, AF Compost is one of a unit under ARDENT Foundation. So apart from that, we also have AF Nursery, that is under ARDENT Foundation. AF Nursery is looking into rearing and making of different nursery that includes different saplings such as apple, avocado, macadamia, persimmon, lemon, anything. So we have been providing that for since 2019, and now this AF Compost is an addition to that. We see that most of our people, let us say the Tangkhul Naga people inhabiting the Ukhrul and Kamjong district, most of our people are agriculturalists. So, and I am happy that our people do not prefer chemical fertilizer. Yet, with the change of time, the need for some manure for the plants, it can be for the flower, it can be for the paddy field. There is a need for manures, some additional manures from time to time. So, considering this need, we are launching this AF Compost. So it is a vermicompost, and as I have said, it is made by Zingsho Mapithel CS Ltd. So we are very excited today, and then this compost, we are making all effort to give at minimum rate possible, and it will come in 5 kilo pack. So we have, with the launch, this launch, we have started supplying. It will also be available at Ukhrul, and also on order we can also deliver to different places. So in Ukhrul we are keeping at Eden Mart, that is at Ganthi Chowk. We are keeping our stock, and we are also keeping this AF Compost at Multi-Care Pharmacy opposite UBC Church. So those interested, they can go and purchase from there directly. So like I said, manuring of plants is very important. We advise that at least 2 times in a year it should be manured, and the quantity depends on the growth of the plant, whether it can be 1-year-old plant, it can be 10-year-old plant. So the quantity of manuring depends on that. And we want to extend our gratitude to National Innovation Foundation. They call it NIF, National Innovation Foundation India, NIF India. So this, the machine for making this manure, organic manure, is provided by the National Innovation Foundation. So we extend our gratitude to them also. So we are here to guide. We have given our email also, and then you can have our phone number also. We are here to guide for manuring of plants. It can be for flower, it can be for horticulture, orchard farm, or it can also be for paddy field also. So this is a brief introduction about the launch program.